And current subscribers, welcome to Optional Enterprises watch list for the week of April 13th, 2020. Happy Easter to everyone. And this week we've got 7 new picks for you, and we're going to start off with Planet Fitness. But first, if you haven't, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel if you find anything that helps you trade this week. Alright, so we've got Planet Fitness as our first one, and we have resorted to using a 4-hour chart for the alert on this one. The 4-hour chart has triggered a reversal to the downside, and we're looking for to get below 54.07. First target is going to be 51.02, second target 45.49. 54.07 holds, and we're looking at 58.76 as our upside target, finally topping off around 62.78, and that's justified by our expected move this week, $8.73. Also, big order here. Want to look at that, those 2,000 traded here, those 50 puts. I believe that these are a combination of people closing out some puts that were added on the 26th, and also some buyers looking to the downside. So that does it for Planet Fitness. Let's move on to the next one. Well, actually, you know what? We'll do our normal typing of the belongs entry above 54.07. Target 58.76. Next target's going to be 62.78. Right? For shorts, which is where this is triggered for a reversal, we want an entry below 54.07 and a target. First target anyway is going to be 51.02 and then 45.49. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, so our next one here is GRUB Incorporated. GRUB is going to be the ticker symbol on that one, and this one's triggered for a reversal again on the 4-hour chart, and again reversal to the downside. Looks like we're at the top of its trending channel right now, so this is definitely looking good for a reversal to the downside. And essentially we want 44.17 to break. 44.17 breaks, we're looking down to 42.30, then 41.40. As far as the upside is concerned, our first target is going to be this high right here, which is 48.75. And that's if we can get 44.17 to hold. Got about a $4.50 expected move this week, so our price targets fall within that range, of course. And again, the reversal seems to be confirmed by these 44 puts with 1,600 being traded there. So we're going to want to watch those come Monday morning. Back over to the chart. For longs, we want 44.17 to hold. Target 48.75. For shorts, entry below 44.17. Then you're also going to want to see how those 44 puts react to a price breach there. Ultimately, our shorts target is going to be 42.30. Second target, we're going to go with 40.81. Alright, that does it for GRUB. Let's move on to the next. Alright, so our next one here is Guidewire Software. GWRE is going to be the ticker symbol for that. Goldman Sachs, I believe, lowered its price target on this, but maintains a buy. So that's good news for us. It's been consolidating for a couple of weeks here, did not rise with the market. It's got about a $3 expected move this week. $3 brings us up to around 86. and the $3 down brings us down to around 79. So, well, 80. But that being said, we want 81.78 to be that level that we want to hold. 81.78, and if that holds, then we're going to look for 85.86. Anything below 81.78, and we're looking down to 76. So, for longs, an entry above 81.78, target 85.86. For shorts, which I don't believe is too likely, but it could happen, and triggered for a reversal to the upside, so 81.78 is the target to the downside, and we're going to be shorting it below. Oh, I'm sorry, 81.78 is not our target. 81.78 is the short below. And our target is going to be 76. Alright, that does it for GWRE. Let's move on. This one here is CrowdStrike, CRWD. This one was triggered for a reversal, I think, 2 weeks ago, and we briefly got that. You can see it broke out of our channel here, and it came back down and retested that 53.50 support level, which is what we were looking for. This week, we're looking for it to break below 57.09. Below 57.09, that's going to be our short below area, and this has got a $4 expected move this week. So below 57.09, and we're looking back down to 53.50. Above 57.09, and we're looking up to 61, which would be a breakout of this consolidation area here. Belongs 57.09, must hold, target we're going to put it up to 62.64. For shorts, entry below 57.09, target 53.50. Alright, that moves us forward from CrowdStrike. Alright guys, so next one here is Bluebird by Bio. I'm not even sure. Anyways, it's BLUE. That's going to be the ticker symbol, and this one triggered for a reversal to the upside. You can see we've been consolidating for, well, about a month now. Got some good strong volume, so we want 46.10 to hold. Above 46.10, we're looking at 53.27. Below 46.10, we're looking to retest 41.80 and then possibly 39.27. Expected move this week is about a $5 expected move, so that everything falls pretty well within. The breakout target might be a little high, but if this does if it does decide to start moving, it's going to be a mover. So for longs, we want an entry above 46.10, target 53.27. For shorts, entry below 46.10, and we're going to retest that consolidation, consolidated lows there of 41.80 is going to be our target. Alright, let's move on to our last one. Alright, so for our final one here, we've got Xerox Holdings. XRX is the ticker symbol on that one, and we are looking for 1871 to hold. Above 1871, we're up to 22.19. Below 1871 though, and we're going to retest some of these consolidated lows, and I'd be looking down to 15.97. Something to keep an eye on. We're looking at these, which were opened up just a day ago. I believe these were opened up on the 7th. Not a day ago, but 3 days ago now, but one trading day ago. These were opened up on the 7th, held through the 8th, and looks like somebody might be closing these out now. So this could be someone was expecting more of a breakout and doesn't think so, in which case below 19, and we're looking, like I said, down to 15. Or these could be someone taking these off their hands and they are now opening these positions expecting a strong rally up. Either way, 19 is a critical area for us, so we want to keep that open. So for longs, we want 1871 to hold. Target 2219. For shorts, entry below 1871. Target 1597. Okay guys, I want to thank you for watching my watch list this week. Please remember, if you found anything that helps you trade, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. This is Optional Enterprises, and I'll talk to you next week.